such that the wholesale and retail sector will grow as well. Ito na po yung nangyayari talaga ngayon. The consumer is front and center. Imagine mo, nag-shopping siya ng alas 2 ng umaga, puyat siya. Di ba? Nagpapuyat siya, wala siya magawa, na-shopping na ako. Okay. When you order from the Good Meat now, so the Good Meat, hindi ko kaya the Good Meat, when they're like Monterey, di ba? You order 2 o'clock in the morning, they will deliver 8 o'clock in the morning. Ang ganda eh. Pero the other meat shops, they deliver 2 days after. Pero it's all a matter of the logistical advantages that you have. Anong unfair advantage nung company selling online? They want to save time. Again, going back, want to shop at their convenience, hindi ko na kailangan damit ng fancy, no lines, no traveling. They really want to save time.